No, don't you play nicely. Play nicely, Ichabiggle. No, don't grab his ear. No, Ichabiggle, don't grab his ear. You stroke him gently. Is he soft? You're trying to stick your fingers in here. What's he doing? Oh, is he soft? Is he? Be very gentle. He's very fragile, okay? Like you, he's a little baby. You can't stick your fingers in his ear, Ichabiggle. No, he won't like that. Oh, you're giving a little ear massage. You like it? You like him? You like him? You playing with his ear? Is it nice? You can't grab it, I'm afraid, Ichabiggle. You're like, oh, why can't I grab his ear? He doesn't like it. You can't do that. Oh, you try and grab his hand. Oh, is he leaving? It's because you kept trying to put your fingers in his ear, Ichabiggle. Try to keep putting your fingers in his ear. He's gone over there now. Because you tried to grab him. Oh dear, poor Baba.